Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the go-to place for all things Etsy. Today, we got some exciting news to share. Etsy just launched a game changer called Gift Mode. So stick around as we dive into the details and explore how this new feature can benefit you as an Etsy seller. So Etsy posted on their forum yesterday about their big focus for the year becoming the world's best destination for gifting. And they're not holding back. They are going big with a year-long marketing campaign starting with a commercial during the Super Bowl. Yes, the one with over 100 million viewers. And guess what? On February 1st, Etsy will share a sneak peek of their ad and a special perk for sellers to make the most of this unique opportunity. So get ready to kick off a year filled with buzz and inspiration for shoppers to visit Etsy. Now let's talk about Gift Mode. Etsy's new tool is designed to revolutionize the way shoppers discover perfect presents. So imagine 200 personas to choose from and the ability to share details about the gift recipient. It's like having a personal shopping assistant right on Etsy. Now, Gift Mode uses the power of A1 machine learning technology coupled with curation by Etsy's teams of style expert. And this ensures shoppers are matched with awesome items from Etsy sellers. So it's all about creating a stellar shopping experience for gift-seeking shoppers. Let me show you how it works. So all you're gonna do is head over to your Etsy app and automatically it should pop up for you. And it's gonna look like this. Go ahead and click on Find the Perfect Gift. From here, it's gonna ask you like who you're buying for. So on the top, it says extra special gifts for. Go ahead and find someone that you're buying a gift from. So let's say I'm buying one for my husband, and then I'm gonna click on Find the Perfect Gift. Now from here, it's gonna ask me, what is the occasion? So let's say that I'm buying something for Valentine's Day, since that's around the corner. But as you can see, they give you all of these different options here. From here, you're gonna go down and you're gonna choose 3 or more of what is that person into. So like my husband likes music, he likes sports, let's see what else. And he likes, drinks. So I'm gonna pick those 3 there. And then all I'm gonna do is click on Show Gift Ideas. And this automatically is gonna go ahead and give you all of these ideas that that person, that recipient will be interested in. So as you can see here, we have the sports fan. These are all the things you could buy. And then you could come down, the music lover, right? Because it shows that he likes music. And then we have the consigliere, some more music, the football fan. You could click on Show More. And it gives you all of these ideas, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and pick all of these, Show All Sports Fan. And as you can see, he's going to go ahead and give me some great ideas of what to buy. And then I could just click here for more inspiration and continue shopping. It sounds like Etsy is excited about the initial launch of Gift Mode, and there's even more in store for the future. And Etsy has an ambitious vision to improve and expand this feature and enhance the overall gifting experience on the platform. Let me know what you think about this new feature, or if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to mark February 1st on your calendar for that exclusive sneak peek. So that's a wrap for today's Etsy's update. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe for more Etsy tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news. Until next time, happy selling on Etsy.